Good boy. Good boy.
Well, you got to put in front, Oj.
But,
Woo!
can you dance?
Yay, buddy.
Now, can you lay down? Good boy. Okay, go back there. Okay, Eric. Can you catch? Okay, can you speak? Louder. I can't hear you. Oh. All right. Now, you have to go over here. And you have to sit right there. Ready? Okay. Not yet. Not yet. Hey, jump.
Yay!
Can you roll over? Roll. Good boy.
Come.
Boy. Come over here, buddy. Come over here. Now, you know what? I think, but Daddy's got mail. Go get the mail. Go get it. Bring it to Mom. Get it. Bring it here. Thank you. Good boy, bud.
Yay!
What else?
Tummy.
Oh. Can I scratch your tummy? No. Can I scratch your tummy? Oh, okay. No, I didn't even let me scratch your tummy. Where's the other thing? Okay, hey, bud. No. Come up here and give me a hug. Oh. Big hug. Thank you. Now, get down. Hey, bud. Are you okay? Now, bud. Can you go get Daddy a kiss? No. Go get Daddy a kiss. Go get him a kiss. Give him a kiss. No, how do you or a kiss? Kiss. Good boy. Let me see. Oh, are you sad? Wait. What? What? Good boy. Okay, what else can you do? What else? One more dance? Okay. And now I'm going to catch. Go over there. No, go back up over there. Way over there. Okay, ready? Catch. One more jump. And that's it. Okay, come over here. Get over there. Sit. Now you can jump higher. Can you jump higher? Yeah. Not yet. Okay, jump.
Yay!